Hi everyone! I thought since I haven't uploaded so much the last days, weeks, I made like a little video about my new workplace and I thought, yeah, hey, why not showing off how I organized it and yeah, like the little corner I'm gonna use now for my sewing station, workplace, whatsoever. Yeah, so me and my husband, we moved recently and it was super stressful and the place is very small and so but yeah, there was already like this white table, white desk, and so it's kind of cool because I can use it. It's actually perfect for sewing, and I'm not sure if I have more space, maybe not, maybe yes. And since the room is also very 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 small, yeah, I have to make the best out of it. So yeah, here's just like a little bit of cleaning, and this table is actually this yeah, very nasty stains, and the stains is actually from ink, and I don't know why you even would like, I don't know, try to use this ink and not put anything underneath. And yeah, I was using also the magic sponge, which is not very helpful. And but yeah, I kind of gave up on the ink, and I actually kept the Sudoku in case I get really really bored and I need a break from all this sewing. And yeah, but you can just see me cleaning a little bit. Oh, more ink! Wow, that's so nice. But yeah, I thought I'm gonna clean that at least like a little bit, so this the blue ink is not getting on my stuff, on my sewing stuff. Yeah, and yeah, this is the place is actually accom. Yeah, the reason why we moved is it's yeah, not so expensive anymore for us, and it's really just temporary. It's yeah, and so the desk was already there, so I got rid of the other one. And oh yeah, I love those magazines. This is Gothic Lolita, Pop Teen, and Cutie, and sometimes I get inspiration actually from those magazines. So they're gonna go with my sewing stuff. Ha! Yeah, just okay. More fabric. I'm so happy everything just fits in there. The desk looks kind of small, but I think for now it's fine. And what else? Oh, my sketchbook also goes in there, of course. And yeah, this space is just from all of my sewing stuff. Oh, more fabric. Wow. I wonder. And this is, yeah, this is the box with my Mario doll. Yeah. I still have space. Okay, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, this was the part where I did some shelving on the onto the wall. I didn't want to put too much because we don't own this place. It's just Stuffacom. So yeah, but I think if I put 2 shelves, it's fine. And ta-da! There are my MSDs. I got their own space now. And yeah, April's also there. My husband was actually helping me with the shelves. I was like very surprised that he still had the spirit to do something late in the evening, and he even helped me to put the dolls on the shelf. So nice. He was so sweet. Thank you. Yeah. Now they're just sitting there, and the thing is, we really have just this one room, and I'm surprised that he even, you know, he's okay with the dolls to be on the shelf and not like, I don't know, somewhere hiding where he cannot see it, because he doesn't hate them, but he's also, oh, he doesn't love them. I mean, he says the dolls creep him out, which I can't understand. I mean, fair enough, but he still helped me. Ha. Yeah, so I'm almost done. Yeah, my sewing machine is also there. I'm so happy. Yeah, desk look actually kind of big. Like, I have, even it's a small space, it's still enough, yeah, to do lots of things. And my lamp is also there. And yeah, that's the small organizing organization video of my sewing station. Guys, I see you in the next video, whatever it will be, but I will work on it. See you. Bye.